Hi, my name is Yvonne Galeese and I'm a consultant working in HIV in Brighton, and I'm going to talk to you today about the really important topic of weight gain in women living with HIV. This is a real gender inequality issue where we need more women participating in clinical trials, so please tune in and I hope you learned something. Thanks so much.
So join us in the Healthy Living with HIV 2021, where we'll be discussing the risk of COVID-19 in people living with HIV and the factors that are related to a poor outcome of COVID-19 in this population.
So join us on the workshop on healthy living with HIV for a presentation of EATG's mental health survey results and recommendations, looking at mental health amongst people living with HIV and availability and access to mental health services in the WHO European region by people living with HIV. Looking forward to seeing you there.